Hey there, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the location that you're watching me from. Alright, so my name is Niyi Amuda, and in this tutorial, because of the request of one of my friends on Facebook, he asked that I should prepare a video on how to use gradients for design. So, this is the reason why I am going to do this tutorial. Alright, so let's go into the tutorial. So first, let's just open PixelLab. So what are gradients? So basically, gradients are like color palettes. So it's the combination of two or more colors to form a background. So when you combine more colors, like one or two colors that blends, you have a gradient. One of the sites that you can use to get a good gradient for your design is uigradients.com. So we're gonna go to the website UI, just go UI gradients. Alright, so you see beautiful colored gradients to use for your design. So this one, it will even tell you the color, the name of the combination, and you can easily copy by clicking the color code. You see that? So to get your colors, quickly move, you can see, to the left, alright, or to the right. You can see a lot of gradient to use for your design. Okay, so let's get to PixelLab and let's see how we can work with gradients. Okay, so I will just remove this guy, put it somewhere there. Okay, let me delete it first. Now to work with gradients on PixelLab, you can get a shape, but I want us to begin with the background. So go over here right now, click on color. So when you click on color, usually you will see two options. You will see color. When you click on the color option, you will have a single color. So it's going to be a single color. But when you click on gradient, it means you can add more than one color together in the background. Let's understand that. So if you click on the plus button like this, right now it's only one color that is here, black. But we have this, you can see this moving here, and we have this not here. So this represent one color and this represent another color. We can click on the plus button and the plus button and the plus button. All these represent colors. Okay, so let me show you that. Click on this one and I click on color, and let's add one color first. I just want to show you that each of them represent colors. Click on this one, click on the color, and let's add this. Are you seeing that? Click on this, click on color, and let's add this. Click on this, click on color, and let's add this. And click on the last one, click on color, and we'll add something bluish. Now you can see that if I click on OK, I've gotten my background. This is a gradient because it's a combination of more than one colors to form a background or a texture. Do you get it? That is it. Alright, so but you don't just choose colors for your gradient, you choose colors that goes together. Bad color combination for your gradients can mean a bad design. So this is the reason why we have a website like UI Gradient that helps you to choose a perfect gradient for your design. Alright, so now you can easily pick. Okay, so let me just get one of these. Now for this one, now for this particular one, if we wanted to do a design that's going to be matching with this background, all we have to do is to come over here, copy. We've copied the blue, we'll come here, we'll click on color, go to gradient and click on plus. Now we have to remove all these ones so that it's 3 minus. You can see that it's 3 now. Okay, it's 3. Now the first one, according to this, we are copying from this guy here. The first one is blue, so we'll come over here and we would click on the bucket icon. Then we'll go to this one here, this right here, that look like is called a color dropper. Eyedropper is used to pick colors. So we'll click on it. Sorry, not there. Click on the edit. Because we want to pick on the first color, which is this. We paste the color code there, remove the edge, and OK. Oh, I think we didn't get it. Let's go again. So this is C and this is E. And okay, this will press. Yeah, okay, then okay. We've gotten it. Now that's the blue. Then we'll come over here, we'll copy this other color is copied. Now we'll go over here, click on this, click on the edit, go over there and paste it. We've gotten it. Oh, I'm sorry, there's a mistake. Okay, let's go back again. Pick this, go over here, click, edit, paste, press the check icon and then OK and OK. Come to the medium one now, click on this, go to edit, pick the color code from the website and go over there, and then we'll paste it, paste and OK. We've gotten the second color. You can see how beautiful it is. We'll go to the third now, click on this, we'll go over to the website, we'll copy the last color code and then we'll come over here and then we'll paste it, paste, check, OK. This is it. You can see now that we've gotten this. Are you seeing it? All right, this one, it is vertical. This one ours here is diagonal. Very easy to change it. We'll go over to this and then we'll come to this one here. You change it like this, move it like this, move it like this, and then okay. Now we'll see that we've gotten the same color code on this website. We've gotten it right here. You see, very easy. Now we can begin to do our design, but now I want to bring my design. The picture you're going to be using should be blending with your background, with your what's it called. Now this picture is what we are going to be using. All right, so I want a gradient that would work very well with that my picture. So I will just be searching. Okay, so I'm having the picture in my mind. This one can work, this can work. All right, so let's try this. So copy this and go over here, go to gradient. All right, we'll just add 2. So we'll add this one by clicking on it and then click the minus, means you've deleted it. We'll come here now, click on this, come here, paste the code you just copied, click the check button and click OK and OK. We've gotten the first one. Click on this one here, click on this, click on the edit button, go over there, copy the orange, okay, go over there, paste it, paste, check, okay. We've succeeded in getting this. Now you see that this particular color gradient is working very well with the picture, right? Gradients are very powerful way to get your design working. Now you don't even have to use a very powerful heavy background all the time. With a good gradient you can get your design in place, and then you just add your text and you're good to go. Get your, so this is how you work with gradients. So don't forget the website that I just gave to you, which is very wonderful website. So get your go. Okay. All right. Okay. So you can see the way I work with gradients and the way I was able to choose what I want from the website. And you can go on and add your text and add whatsoever you want to add to your design, and it's fine. You don't have to use a heavy background all the time, right? Look at the image you are working with. If you look at this image now, look at the girl's scarf. You can see she has something here. Let me lock it. She has something here. You can see this color is blending with the color here, all right? And this color at the other side of the back, which is this one here, is blended with her shirt. So do you see the combination? I can go on and use another color code that will blend with that image. Okay, so this one can blend, this one can blend, not this. All right, so you see there are so many. So based on the image you're going to be using, choose a color code that will go with it. Okay, and remember, when you are working with gradient, it's the same rule for color. The same rule for color. When you are putting, when the color, the color of the background is dark and heavy, meaning that the text you're going to put in on top of it is going to be white or light. All right. So like this right here, if you put a white text around this area, if you are using this for your background, if you use a white text around this area, it's not going to work. So for a gradient like this that is light, you should be thinking of using a black or a dark color. That is the rule of color. This one you can use white, you can use black. All right, so this is how you can get a lot of gradient to work with for your design. And once you've gotten your gradient, this one can work for that image. Okay, you see. So once you've gotten your gradient, all we have to do is to come over here, copy the color code. Let's try this. Copy the color code. Okay, let's go and try this. The first one, click here, edit, go to the color, paste, check. Oh, sorry, there's a mistake. I just copied this. Paste. It's not giving me the results that I want. It's giving me white, which is not supposed to be. But if it's giving you issue like this, all you have to do is to screenshot it. Okay, I've screenshotted mine. Screenshot it and take it out, crop it out. So this is another wisdom, another way you can get it. So if it's misbehaving like just now I just experienced, just copy, screenshot it and get it over here. Where are you? So I've screenshotted mine. I will just come to this app. I will import what I just screenshot, which is this one here. Then I'll bring it to the app and then come over here and I will pick the color. So I'll come here first and then come to this eyedropper and I will pick this color. All right, that's the first color. Then I'll come over here and this, and then I'll pick the other color, which is this one here. So with that, I'll be able to get exactly, can you see it? I've gotten exactly what I wanted. So I can go ahead and delete this one. So this is how you actually work with gradient. I believe you got value for this video, so don't forget to subscribe. If you want a good gradient, work with the image. This color doesn't work well with the color that is in the image. This is preferable. This right here is preferable. Why? Because there's a blending, there's a correlation. Okay, so when you're working with image, look at the colors of the colors in the image and see how your color in the background will blend, because colors match, color go together. That color that don't work. So understand the psychology behind color and how you can choose the right gradient for your design, for your next design. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe.